Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Finviz to find stocks. Start by opening the screener and choosing descriptive filters like market cap and sector, then add fundamental filters such as P/E and earnings growth. Finish with technical filters for moving averages and price channels. Save the filter set as a custom profile so you can rerun it quickly and glance over the signal column for momentum clues. Choose filters that match your strategy and risk tolerance, like small cap growth or large cap value. Tighten liquidity by setting minimum average volume and price limits so orders execute smoothly. Combine fundamental thresholds like revenue growth or dividend yield with technicals such as 50-day above 200-day averages to find aligned setups. Iterate and save variations to compare results. Then build a short watch list for deeper analysis and chart review. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with disciplined investing skills you use on sites like Finviz. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab the book if it speaks to you. Now let's get back to the video. Scan results visually and open each candidate's chart to confirm trend, volume spikes, and pattern structure. Compare sector performance to spot leaders and laggards, and check insider activity or news for catalysts. Use the export function to create a CSV for deeper screening in spreadsheets or import tickers into your broker watch list. Always paper trade new setups first and refine filters based on real performance and feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.